All right, everyone, it's PT, and it is time to rise and shine. We're making our way into the weekend. Listen, I look forward to seeing a lot of you tomorrow in the Lord's house. Yes, I do. Or online. Yeah, might see some of you there as well. We're talking about living the surrendered life, being surrendered to the purposes of God. Going back to Acts 1, verse 6 through 8, when we were talking about, we read this yesterday, how the disciples on the other side of the resurrection were saying, okay, Jesus, this was before Pentecost. That happens in Acts 2. But in Acts 1, they're saying, Lord, are you going to set up the kingdom? They had always wanted him to set his kingdom up. Remember, this was a big part of their dream. It's why they were following him. And in a lot of ways, what Jesus said was, no, the timing here is not what you're thinking. I just want you to be my witness right now. I want you to be my witness. And the disciples, I think they reluctantly came to that conclusion. It helped when they saw Jesus leave and they had to wait for the Spirit. But there's always a part of us that wants to use God. But the real choice, the real call, is to let God use us. That's what I want to say. I know I may want to use God for things that I want to see him do, but really the Lord wants to use me for the things he wants me to do. And so it is for you as well. Lord, may we surrender to your will for us. May it be your will, not our will, that is done. And I do pray for this, Lord. Please use us. I shall not use thee, but let you use me today.